Open the rear hatch. And then underneath this storage drawer, you're going to lift that up. Then you have these plastic container here and these 2 tabs on it, and you're going to counterclock a half turn on both. Remove the actual cover. Then you'll see right here the actual kit, and that's got the wrench in it for the jack and the lug nut wrench. And then to reinstall, place right there. There's the actual long bar for the spare tire. Set the plastic back up. This one I'm going to turn half a turn clockwise, and this one's going to turn half a turn counterclockwise. Shut the storage hatch, and then shut the tailgate.